how to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. So if you want to transfer group members to another group in your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. After opening your WhatsApp, you can go with your chat. Now, in my case, I have a group right here. So you need to just tap on the name of that group and you will get this kind of interface. You need to just scroll down and then you'll have invite via group link. You need to tap on it and then you can copy the link. Once you've copied your link, now you can go back and then go with the group chat in which you would like to share the link or from where you would like to transfer your members to this group. So just go back, select the group. I'll go with this one. Once you've selected, you can go and paste the group link. And if the other person taps on this link, and if the other person taps on this link, then they'll be redirected to the group and they'll be added. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.